Welcome back to the operations floor of TNW News. I am Ted Nardoni, the operations manager, here with your tropical storm Elsa update for this morning, July 5th, 2021. This will be a video update this morning. Please stand by. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and Facebook for the latest tropical or hurricane information. And YouTube, TNW News. And I just finished a quick weather today episode, so don't forget to follow us on our quick weather Twitter account and YouTube channel. Now let's get right to the tropical storm update on Tropical Storm Elsa with it approaching Florida anytime now. It is off the coast.
Tropical storm force winds and heavy rainfall over the Florida Keys. Heavy rainfall and flash flooding continues over west central Cuba. A storm surge warning continues in effect for the west coast of Florida from Bonita Beach to the Aucilla River, including Tampa Bay. A tropical storm warning continues in effect for the Florida Keys from Great Key westward to the Dry Tortugas and along the west coast of Florida from Flamingo northward to Ochlockonee River. Tropical storm conditions should continue over portions of central and western Cuba during the next several hours. Tropical storm conditions will continue over portions of the warning area in the Florida Keys through this evening. Tropical storm conditions are expected to spread northward into west central Florida and the Florida Big Bend region tonight and early Wednesday, where hurricane conditions are possible. A hurricane watch continues in effect along portions of the west coast of Florida from Egmont Key to the Steinhatchee River. A storm surge watch continues in effect from west of the Aucilla River to the Ochlockonee River, Florida. A tropical storm watch continues in effect from the mouth of St. Mary's River to South Santee River, South Carolina. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the watch area in Georgia and South Carolina Wednesday night and early Thursday. Interests elsewhere in the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic coast should monitor the progress of Elsa. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. At 11 a.m. EDT, the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located about 65 miles, 105 kilometers west-northwest of Key West and about 215 miles, 345 kilometers south of Tampa, Florida. It's moving toward the north-northwest near 10 miles per hour, 17 kilometers per hour, and the generally northward motion is expected today and tonight. A turn toward the north-northeast is expected on Wednesday, followed by a faster northeastward by late Thursday. On the forecast track, Elsa will continue to pass near the Florida Keys this morning and move near or over over portions of the west coast of Florida later today through tonight. On Wednesday morning, Elsa is forecast to make landfall along the North Florida Gulf Coast and then move across the southeastern United States through Thursday. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour, 95 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 70 miles, 110 kilometers, from the center. A CMAN station at Sand Key, Florida, recently measured the peak 1-minute sustained wind of 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour, gusting to 64 miles per hour, 104 kilometers per hour. The Key West International Airport also recently measured a peak sustained wind of 43 miles per hour, 69 kilometers per hour, gusting to 59 miles per hour, 95 kilometers per hour. Slow strengthening is forecast through tonight, and Elsa could be near hurricane strength before it makes landfall in Florida. Weakening is expected after Elsa moves inland. The combination of a storm surge and the tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Englewood, FL to Aucilla River including Tampa Bay, 3 to 5 feet. Bonita Beach, FL to Englewood, FL including Charlotte Harbor, 2 to 4 feet. Aucilla River to Ochlockonee River, 2 to 4 feet. Flamingo, FL to Bonita Beach, FL, 1 to 3 feet. Craig Key, FL to Dry Tortugas, 1 to 2 feet. Ochlockonee River to Indian Pass, 1 to 2 feet. Mouth of St. Mary's River to South Santee River, SC, 1 to 2 feet. Elsa is expected to produce the following rainfall amounts and impacts this week. Across the Florida Keys into southwest and western portions of the Florida Peninsula, 3 to 5 inches with localized maximum totals up to 8 inches through Wednesday, which may result in considerable flash and urban flooding, along with minor to isolated moderate river flooding. Across the rest of Florida, 2 to 4 inches with localized maximum totals up to 6 inches through Wednesday night, which may result in isolated flash, urban, and minor river flooding. Asterisk across portions of southeast Georgia and the low country of South Carolina, 3 to 5 inches with isolated maximum totals up to 8 inches will be possible, which may result in considerable flash and urban flooding. Across coastal portions of North Carolina into southeastern Virginia, 1 to 3 inches with isolated totals up to 5 inches Wednesday night through Thursday night, which could lead to isolated flash and urban flooding. A few tornadoes are possible today through tonight across the Florida Peninsula. The tornado threat will continue on Wednesday across North Florida, southeast Georgia, and the low country of South Carolina. The tornado threat should shift to the eastern Carolinas and far southeast Virginia on Thursday. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 5 p.m. EDT with an intermediate advisory at 2 p.m. EDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardani from TNW News with your Tropical Storm Elsa update for July 6, 2021. This has been a morning update. We will have the intermediate update on our social media pages for 2 o'clock p.m. I will see you back here at 5 p.m. for your on-camera update at 5 p.m. with the full advisory. Once again, the intermediate update can be found on our social media pages. Have a good day. Stay safe if you are in Florida today. Once again, this has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with a morning update on Tropical Storm Elsa. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter and Facebook for the latest on the Tropical Storm Elsa and the rest of hurricane season. I will see you back here at 5 p.m. for your on-camera evening update of Tropical Storm Elsa. Stay safe.